Hello, it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today's video is going to be something a little bit different. So Alana Owlet very kindly reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a Secret Santa collaboration this year, and of course the answer was yes. So if you want to see her Secret Santa video, I will put a link to it in the description box below and you can go check it out. And if you haven't already, definitely go and subscribe to her channel. She has a bunch of fantastic resources for cosplayers. She's got tip videos, she's got tutorials, all sorts of fantastic cosplay stuff. So definitely go subscribe to her if you haven't already. So I will go ahead and open up the Secret Santa present. She wrapped it so nicely. It's even got a little bell on it, which is so cute. So we'll start with the little card. Here for the time being. So, oh! I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but it's got like this super cute little polar bear and seal sticker on the back. I don't want to rip the polar bear in half. Alright, let's see if I can do this really carefully. Or I'll rip it around the polar bear. Okay, guess I'll go ahead and read it out loud. Happy holidays, Komori. I was going to find an Animal Crossing gift to go with your Isabelle costume, but then I saw this and thought it was adorable and hilarious. Put it on and squeeze the paws. Okay. I hope you have a great holiday season and can't wait to see what amazing content you come up with in 2019. Merry Christmas, little heart Alana. May the beauty of the holidays make your world a lovely place. Thank you! Put it on and squeeze the paws. Now I'm really curious. Great. Does it count as an ASMR video if it's got all the tissue paper? No. Oh my. Put it on and squeeze the paws. Okay, how do I open this? Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. Alright, feel wires in it. Does it? Oh! Okay, that's really funny. Oh, that's cute. And really warm too. Oh, thank you! Alright, I'm gonna try and do it down here so I can actually... Alright, that is really... Where do you even find this? Wow. Okay. So, and there's one other thing in here. So, itty bitty... Oh, Russell Stover Itty Bitty Santas. Oh, those are so good. I love chocolate, if I haven't mentioned it before. Oh, I'm so excited to eat these. So, let me put the bunny hat back on. Well, thank you so much, Alana. This is really funny. So thank you so much, and Merry Christmas to you too. And thank you so much for those of you who are watching, and like I mentioned before, if you haven't subscribed to Alana, go and subscribe. She has fantastic cosplay content and a really cute cat, so go check that out. And I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye.